Say hi.
Hi.
This is for Brickloot. Looks like July.
Hi.
Okay, ready?
Hi.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
You looking forward to opening this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How excited?
So much.
Do you like Legos?
Yeah. Whoa! You can build this.
Mm-hmm. What is it?
A little hot.
No, it's a World War I Model T ambulance. What else do we got?
It's pink.
Okay, that one looks like it's the... Oh, that's the exclusive build right here. What's that?
A hat?
No, mobile missile defense. What's that?
A people button?
Oh, these are weapons. Oh boy.
Weapons? What's this?
That is... I don't know, we'll have to find out. It looks like a box. Like a crate. Maybe it goes on the back of a truck. What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, that's Wounded Will. He is a Brickloot exclusive.
What's doing? Wait,
Yeah.
tell us.
Exclusive Brickloot art print.
Oh.
Hey, we gotta put this in the thing on your wall.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is that?
What's that? Home of the free because of the brave. Yeah, these are all so you can put them on your Lego people. Where are you going?
We got this.
Oh, okay. What else is in the box?
More did this.
More stickers? Okay. What else?
Got this.
That tells you what's in there. And that's Home of the Free because of the Brave, and that's for July 2017.
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
So, did you like it?
Yeah.
Are you excited about next month?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll open them up.
Yeah, we'll build them in a second.